everyone, this is Ree's channel and I just want to congratulate my sister Melka and her channel for being monetized by YouTube in such a short period of time. Congratulations sis, and I know how much you are enjoying doing YouTube at the moment. Keep up the good work, and I know you are helping small YouTubers out there too. And just a big sister advice, please, health is wealth pa rin. So, kailangan matulog din sa tamang oras. So, bawas-bawasan yung papupuyat mo. So, more power on your YouTube channel, and bye for now.
Okay lang, Melka. So, happy ko malimot ba? Magani kay remind ka. Anyway, congratulations di ay sa imong pagka-monetize sa imong channel. I'm so proud of you kay sa imong pagkakugihan mangisda, pagsigigsaka sa mga sagasang balay-balay. Ako siya kayo pakinabang, no? Ako siya pakinabang yung may kitang kanta ba. So, ambot nga na pagkahalang-halang gikuha imong talent ba. But thanks God nga nakay talent ingon ana. Dako kaayo na og natabang sa imong pagpalambo sa imong channel. Gumikan kay daghan kaayo kang mga na ila-ila nga mga dagko pud nga mga channel and also monetize. Gumikan sa imong talent na daghang naka-discover nimo. So I hope nga dili mausab ang imong pagkaikaw nga hinaot unta nga magsigilang gihapon kag sa imong kinaiya nga buotan og manggihadlokon sa Ginoo, ug ingon man usab sa imong mga ginikanan. Og salamat sa mga imong pagtabang nako sa like kung mag-LS ko na kay mga hakot nila. Salamat jud kaayo. Salamat sa mga friends ni, but most of all salamat sa mga friends nimo nga ning tuo sa imong talent, sa imong ability. Dako kay pud sila gikatabang sa pagpadako sa imong channel. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Phila Mabuhay Life. Milka, congratulations, your channel finally got monetized. Woohoo! Finally. Ang mga pinagpaguran mo, ayan na, it paid off. Enjoy the ride, and I'm wishing na you have more subscriber and you grow more. Your friendships, not necessarily like the subscriber, also the people, you meet more people, the genuine people along the way. So again, congratulations. Alam ko yan ang goal mo talaga, so support pa rin ako kahit monetize ka na. Okay, so just ang payo ko lang, always be kind and humble to people, okay? And always be happy, okay? Don't sweat the small things, okay? May God bless you always, and more power. Ooh, I'm so happy for you. Bye.
What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Juju once again from Eustis, Florida, USA. So ngayong araw na to guys, gusto ko lang batiin at i-congratulate ang aking baby loves, si Melka Hacolby ng congratulations Melka. Ayan, natupad mo na yung iyong pinapangarap na maging isang YouTubers gaya natin. Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations. Nakaabot ka ng nakaraos ka. At ayan, thank you din. Maraming salamat din sa suporta mo sa akin. Ayan, thank you very much. Nandito lang kami para suportahan ka. Again, congratulations for your monetization at na-approve na yung pagiging YouTubers mo. Ayan, thank you very much and good luck.
Hello, Melka. This is Ken Russell. And of course, you know my wife.
Mommy Jovi, Daddy Ken and Mommy Jovi.
We'd like to congratulate you on your monetization. We hope it serves you well. May God bless.
Love you, mwah mwah.
Bye-bye.
Hello, my dear Milka. I am amazed that you have finally reached the goal of being monetized, and that's a grand success. And by the grace of God, that is the way on how to bless others. Continue to help and support others who are still struggling. That's the only way. And may you reap more of your success. Just continue and keep grinding on. And may the Lord will always guide you in all your ways. Thank you, Milka, for your support in my channel, Lindsay USA. And be blessed all the time. And always be positive. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ganda Milka. Warmest congratulations on your well-deserved success and best wishes for your next adventure. Love you.
Hi guys, Papa Biker Sir. Maraming salamat pala sa mga taong patuloy na sinusuportahan si Papa Bikers at walang sawang sinusuportahan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng aking channel, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong video. Ayun, gagawa lang ako ng short video guys para batiin ko ang aking kaibigan na babae. Ayan, Milka Hakolbe, approve na po ang kanyang channel guys. Ayan, Milka, approve na po ang iyong channel. Isa ka na pong legit YouTube partner. Monetize ka na po. So ayan, nagbunga na po ang iyong mga paghihirap, puyat, lahat-lahat na ng naranasan mo sa pagbablog o pagla-livestream. Ayan, nagbunga na, legit ka na, monetize na ang iyong channel. Ayan Milka, ayan po, sana po lumago pa ang iyong channel. Sana po magkaroon tayo ng viral video para po kahit pa paano hindi po tayo masyadong nahihirapan sa ating ginagawa. So ayan Milka, ingatan po ang iyong channel. Sana sana patuloy na magiging mabait po ha. Huwag po sana magbabago at saka siyempre lagi mo kami kakantahan doon sa live stream ni Alger Rabanera. Ayan Milka, binabati kita ulit. Congrats sa iyo at saka isa ka ng monetized channel. Thank you so much. At sana huwag kang magsawang susuportahan din ang aming mga channel. Panoorin ang aming mga video. Ayan Milka, ingat lagi ha. God bless you. God bless you.
Gusto ko lang i-congratulate si Melka sa kanyang pagka-money. At thank you so much sa iyo Melka dahil isa ka sa aking naging member at marami kang naitulong sa akin sa mga ini-invite mo lagi sa LS ko. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. And pagpatuloy mo lang, gawin mo lang lagi ang mga bagay na nakakapagpasaya sa iyo at sipagan mo gumawa ng content at mag-LS ka lagi. God bless you.
Ayun, ang ating pinakamamahal na Melka Hakolbe, lalabs, mama, chup chup, I love you sister, alam mo yan, simula nung una tayong magkakilala until now, lagi tayong magkasama sa puyatan, walang tulugan, akyatan dito, akyatan doon, sa iba-ibang panel mga YT. Ngayon nagbunga na yung paghihirap. Congratulations sa'yo. Isa ka ng certified YouTubers. You all already monetized. So, congratulations and God bless you more, kapatid.
Guys, it's me, Lokana sa America Vlog. So, for today's video, ay gusto ko lang pong patiin ng congratulations ang aking Sisi Loves na si Sis Milka Hakolbe. dahil isa na siyang certified vlogger or YouTuber. So, alam kong deserve mo ang pagka-monetize mo, Sisi, kasi alam ko kung gaano mo pinaghirapan ito at alam kong pinagpupuyatan mo talaga yan kasi talagang magdamag kang nagigising dahil sa pag-akyat-akyat sa mga ibang LS. So, yun sis, congratulations and good luck sa next level dito sa YT World. Ayan, stay humble at alagaan mong mabuti at alagaan mo ang iyong katawan at kalusugan dahil ito ang puhunan natin sa ating pang-araw-araw at saka sa mga trabaho and of course dito sa YT World. So, stay humble and more dollars to come. Love you sis.
Congratulations, Milka Bebe. Finally, Monica na. Good luck to your next journey in YouTube. Love you. Meet my bebe, Bootsy.
Hello. I just want to congratulate you for being monetized na sa YouTube and sana wag na wag kang magbabago. Continue to serve our God and you know that He will give you all the desires of your heart. Isa lang to sa desires ng bibigay sa'yo ni Lord. So, keep fighting. Love you.
Ayan, hello everyone, this is me Dana Lai from Team Oita. I just want to say congratulations to Lalabs Milka Hakolby for being part of the YouTube program. Ayan, congratulations Lalabs, monetized channel ka na. Huwag mong kakalimutan na nandito lang kami lagi din sa'yo nakasupport. At maraming salamat din sa mga support ang binibigay mo Lalabs. At thank you sa friendship, ayan, sa mga asaran sa LS, ayan. And wish ko sa'yo, Lalabs, is, ayan, mag-grow up ka nang mag-grow up sa channel mo, Lalabs. And then, God bless, Lalabs. And then, thank you so much, Lalab. And then, don't forget that we always love you and we always support you, Lalabs. And that's it, Lalab. And this is me again, Dana Lai from Team Oita, Lalabs. Thank you so much. And God bless to you, Lalabs.
Hello, Sis Milka. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations to your YouTube channel. Pasensya naman. Late si ate. Tagal mo na nagsabi, sis. I'm so sorry. Busy si mommy. Congratulations to your channel. At more power. Tsaka thank you at sinishare mo yung talent mo. Your singing, your music. Thank you so much and God bless to you. More power. Congrats. Bye.
Hi Sis Milka. Congrats po at finally monetize na in YouTube channel. Thank you din po sa Team RJ at nakilala po kita. Alam kong malay pa marating na in YouTube channel at marami ka pang ma-inspire na viewer. So enjoy lang po and keep inspiring other people. Good luck and ang Team Lopez po ay nandito lang para mag-support sa iyo. And again, congratulations and God bless.
Hello, Sisi Milka. I would like to congratulate you because na-monetize ka na and I'm so happy for you, Sisi. And I'm always here to support you and if you need more design, just always send me a message and I'm always here and open to help you. God bless you, Sisi. Congratulations.
So hi Tita Milka, congratulations to your channel.
Yeah, and good luck to the new journey of your channel.
Yes.
Yes.
Lalabs, Milka. So, ayan na nga. All those sleepless nights, ngayon, dyan na. So, continue to inspire others and keep on sharing those amazing videos. May God grant all the desires of your heart because I know you really deserve it. Dito lang ako, dito lang yung buong team for you. And I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thanks for the support, for the help, for the love, for the friendship. So sana talaga magkita tayo in person now very soon para naman makapag-jamming din tayo. So in behalf of Family Islanders, just want to say congratulations! You deserve it, girl! Fight lang! God bless! Keep safe! And I love you!
Hello guys! This is Bander's Journey and welcome to my channel. Gusto ko lang i-greet ng congratulations ang ating friend dito sa YouTube na si Milka Hakulbe. Milka, congratulations! Ito na yun! Ang saya-saya! Diba? So, keep it up and we're so happy for you and we're all here to support you and thank you din sa support ang binibigay mo sa amin. God bless and congratulations again, Milka! Isa ka na ngayong certified YouTuber.
Hi, Sisi Milka! Yo, no? Congratulations sa'yo. Finally, isa ka ng monetized channel. Paid off na yung mga lahat ng mga hard work mo para sa bahay mo. So, yun. Ang gawin mo na lang ngayon is enjoy. Mag-upload, mag-LS para sa revenue mo yun. Sobrang happy ako sa'yo. Way to go, Sisi. Love you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Sis Milka, at na-monetize na ang channel mo. Masayang-masaya ako sa iyo, Sisi, at nagbunga na ang puyat at pagod natin sa pangingisda. Sana mas lumago pa yung channel mo at madami pang blessing na dumating sa iyo. Ingat-ingat always. I love you, Sisi.
Hi guys, this is Simply Mia's vlog again. Simple, you can just call me Mia, and I would like to congratulate Milka for having her monetization. Congratulations, Milka! The can man. Anyway, we know how hard it was to get in there. Kaya we're really proud of you, sister, and more power. And stay safe and God bless. Thank you!
Congratulations sa iyong channel, Sisi. Keep singing and keep vlogging. Lagi lang kaming andito para supportahan ka. We love you, Mama.
Hi Milka! Congratulations! Finally, nagbunga na din yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Mga pinagpuyatan mo ng ilang linggo, ilang buwan, you know, this is just the start. Finally, monetize na yung channel mo, and more blessings pa. More blessings na dadating kasi alam ko pinaghihirapan mo yan, pinagpuyatan mo, and I wish you more blessings, good luck, and stay safe always. Huwag masyadong magpupuyat. Anyway, may dadating naman eh. Marami nagpapalipad sa iyo. Alam mo naman yan. And this is your Kuya Al Naranjo here in Canada. Bisdakan Orange TV wishing you congratulations and more blessings. God bless.
So ayan guys, so mega love shoutout kay Milka. So Milka, congrats sa'yo dyan.
Mega love shoutout Milka. Congratulations on your milestone. Congratulations at finally monetize ka na. Alam mo, nagpadala na ako ng message sa'yo. So, ganun pa man, nandito kami ni Jumong to congratulate you.
Bisdakan Orange
TV guys from Canada. Jumong Katas here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada.
Ayun.
Congratulations, Milka.
What's going on, Milka? This is your friend, I Know Chris, all the way from the United States, giving you a quick shout out for congratulations on your monetization, my friend. Great work. You're an awesome person. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep loving people, supporting the channel like you do, and keep singing, chasing those dreams, my friends. Don't give up on that. And you know what you also got to do? You got to keep tooting.
Hello, Milka. Ayan. Congratulations dahil monetize na ang channel mo. Continue to be yourself and continue singing your heart out. And I know that there will be more and more to come sa buhay mo and even to the viewers ng iyong channel. So continue to do your best and enjoy your stream. Woohoo! Congratulations!